If you guys have ever wanted to upgrade the fog lights on your 2021 to 2023 Ford F-150 and you wanted something that looks like it was supposed to be there but outperforms anything on the market today, this is it. Morimoto came out with an all-new bracket kit to house two 4Bangers on each side for your fog lights. It's super bright. If you get the SAE fogs, you're gonna have the best light output ever. It's gonna blow you away. Let me show you guys really quick. There's a lot to unpack here because this entire bracket kit is designed from the ground up. There's intelligent cooling in it, so the Morimoto 4Banger operates at maximum brightness. These are the best and brightest off-road pod lights, I'm just gonna say it, you could buy on the market today. So to put two of these on each side of your fog lights is awesome. This is the NCS version, which is Morimoto's entry level. There's two different power levels that you need to be aware of, because when you're going on headlightrevolution.com and you go to the drop-down menu, you're going to notice that this can be kitted a whole bunch of different ways. If you get the NCS, it's a little bit cheaper, but it is their entry-level pod, and they use chips from Nichia. Now, as you can see, first off, this pod light, the 4Banger, is much more compact than other pod lights that have the same amount of brightness. This has more brightness and uses three LED chips, versus 4 LED chips from all of the other manufacturers out there. So it really does have a compact design that allows you to fit it in here and still look OEM plus. The NCS uses chips from Nichia. The powerful HXB version, which is their top dog version, uses OSRAM chips. Those are a little bit more expensive, but you get the point. You can choose between the NCS or the HXB. If it was my decision, I would use HXBs in here. I'd just set it and forget it. These off-road pod lights have a lifetime warranty, and that's epic. You're not gonna have to worry about this. I've actually torture tested these. I've drowned them. They're 100% waterproof. I've used a flamethrower on them. They still work. I've thrown them, I've dropped them, I've hit them, I've pressure washed them. This is the best pod light you could possibly buy. You're not gonna have any issues ever again. There's 4 different lenses that you can choose from. There is the SAE wide beam pattern, a spot beam pattern, a combo beam pattern, and a flood beam pattern. If it was me purchasing this, I would never put in a combo or a flood here. You're gonna blind everybody. It's not gonna be what you want. I would use the SAE wide beam pattern, which is most likely the only one you can actually purchase from Headlight Revolution. We want this to be a good driving experience, and we don't want to blind oncoming drivers. I don't think they're SAE compliant because there is 2 on each side, so that might actually go a little bit over the maximum allowed brightness from SAE, but still the pod lights themselves are SAE compliant. Now there's a lot of options as far as kitting this on your vehicle, so if you don't like the yellow and then the white here, you can go to the drop-down menu and get a different combination. So you can do the NCS in white on each side, which is the entry-level pod. You can do the NCS, the entry-level pod, in yellow, and it'll be on each side. The yellow is really good for like dusty conditions, or if it's snowing, or if it's foggy outside. And the white, I think, just looks a little bit better. I think it matches the headlights. As you can see here, we've got some aftermarket XP LED headlights, but you get the point. They're a bright white versus a yellow. And then there's also options where you can get the HXB version, which is the brightest off-road pod light. For each side, you can have it in yellow or white, or the mix like you see here. Full disclosure, the install does take a little bit of time. We do have to pull the bumper, pull the grill. We do have an install guide for you guys. We'll post it in the link below because it is a little bit involved. But there's no cutting, there's no splicing, there's no issues involved. It is very easy to follow. I can follow it, so I know you can follow it. I like to rate all of my installs with how many beers you would drink to complete the process. And I would say if you grabbed yourself a 6-pack, you'd probably be about 4 deep by the time you're done, if that helps. The factory LED fog lights on this F-150 do pretty good, but you can't get nearly as much width as you can get with the 4Banger optics. These feature dual axis control for width. They also have that active hotspot control to project peak intensity right along the top of the beam pattern. The 4Banger SAE wide beam pattern delivers the best combination of width, intensity, and control, making it the most effective on and off-road fog light in the world. Now I know a lot of people lift their vehicle or lower it. We've seen both of them here on this channel, And that's okay because these are adjustable. So they actually can adjust about 6 degrees up or down. So you're not gonna have any issues. Make sure you line it up by driving up to a white wall or something, showing the beam pattern, being able to see the cutoff. Turn off your headlights if you can't turn them off, and have these on, just unplug your headlights, because you really wanna make sure these are lined up properly. If they're aimed down too far, you're going to blind yourself. If they're up too high, you might blind oncoming drivers. Last thing you want. So just make sure you adjust them when you're all said and done. And then that's it. This is by far the best install you can do when it comes to fog lights on your F-150. Another trick that I found when aiming these things is keep it tight with those bolts on the side of that U bracket, but not quite tight enough to the point where you can't do this. This makes it so much easier. You can actually adjust it here from the front here. So if it needs to be raised up or lowered, you can. And that's probably the best route when it comes to aiming these things. And lastly, probably my favorite part of this is if you had the OEM fog light with the daytime running light, this will operate just the same. It'll actually come with 2 harnesses. So you're gonna get 2 harnesses so you can get it to work on your vehicle. So when you're turning left with low beams on, your fog light on the left side will come on, and vice versa for the right side. It's pretty good on Morimoto to actually think ahead and make that still work on your F-150. Now, once you're done with the fog lights, get something like this, an aftermarket replacement headlight housing. There's also third brake lights, off-road pod lights, you can do reverse lights, and so much more. Go to Headlight Revolution. We've tested everything for the Ford F-150, and we want you guys there, headlightrevolution.com.